Operation Industrialized Igbo. Operation Industrialized Igbo. Operation Industrialized Igbo. Nothing or nothing. I can put it that way. Come three people, my name is Jovika. I beg my Igbo brothers, make another face. I want to use broken talk to our people this time around. Why I want to do and be say some of my fellow where they follow me, people where they follow me, they like what I do. They complain, say why they always use Igbo. But they no one understand, say I want to address my people. So to tell you, say I love and value those where they follow me. When they watch my video, I want make I use the broken this time around. Make I yarn on this one. So if they follow me now, this one make you follow me here. But why they use Igbo, we say them I address my Igbo people and my project where I carry for hand now for Igbos. So if it be Igbo person, no verse how they use broken. Because some of you where they even speak Igbo, will be my Igbo people. So they even follow this page. And you gonna tell me I follow your page, I watch you, the invention. But when I wait, you know they follow me, you know they subscribe to my YouTube. They take some more subscribe to this page now. I know the joke. This page you need to subscribe because we have a lot of innovation coming up. This message why I talk to operations of Industrialized Igbo. This is one of the campaign rotary of one of our former governor. Industry. Factory. When he win that election, we expect this industry. What do we see that? Demolition. People will get small industry where they want to use job. This governor will saying to be industry demolition. After the demolition market, I know one of my uncle now today. I mean they support them small to eat because in get two market for a kohoro, or whatever market you know what. That man demolition. I know one of my friends get 6 market where people they rent they use the chop money. That man now they struggle to stand because roaches came destroy all those market. Destroy the new market. I don't go talk. I don't know whether they do charms if you see market destroy. He say they destroy, and none of them went build. He just destroy them. My person will tell us industry. I bet no make I not talk about it with politician here. Make a watch this video. When you finish watching, I go talk with that one talk. Industry. Watch. I think when I see that particular product, the boy, I allow him to make sure his number, make we use and help people like this. Why I'm showing you this video and all this video where they watch now, they roll for my video. We have people with this kind of talent in their quantum. This guy did not only they make melt waterproof, we don't call it waterproof or nylon paper or plastic. In carry pan kernel, mix them. The thing they solid and like more concrete, they beg them. So make it no spoil, make it no bitter. Concrete, you see this particular mixture. Come the begs, I beg, no hit me, I no one fight you. And why are they make this video? We have people in this nature, in their quantum. Since I made that video about the quantum D house by our brother, some of you decide to answer Sam Zion. No be real name. Because you don't ask, I want to see name for internet. I want to see name. We no answer the real name because of security reasons. Another say, we know how to do the job. So sometimes where we're not carrying on. And the people don't they ask me, we don't know where I go, see get up, where in there. People come there down to say, insurance say this is not go fall. But it is say how this hot wrong this in there now. This is the raw material they go use to mold your own 9 inches house for that 3D quantum house. We have so many people where get this kind of thing. Do you know this boy went as far as go construct machine where they use the melt this particular thing, and that the machine now we want to go buy for China. So you give our brother to the produce mass quantity of this particular 3D house. Some of you don't. They ask so many questions. I want to make a use of opportunity address some of those questions. They ask me in website, and I want to tell you, say the website will come out whenever we have started producing. So we are at the building stage now. If they ask a number, we not go give you the number. You don't need him. You need his product. So leave him alone. When the product come out, you get the number to get the product, not to get him. You want go what you want go do is you can do. It is we know they're smart. You want to collect a number, make go to stop him, make go buy him for us. No go work for you. Some people don't also chat me say, can he give you a different design? God will create white person, and he create black person. God will create tall person, and he create short person. God will create person will get body, bulky person, people will get body. Now he create people with their tiny body. So if somebody will manufacture house where they like, if you say I don't want to do, who will still do it? So that question might start. Must it be 3-bedroom flat? Must it be upstairs? Must it be downstairs? That question there have been answered. So that's why this video, if you the watcher, you have question, watch this video to the end to get all your questions. Some people when they tell me say, how is it possible? And so one man, this boy make you know your name is at stake. How will people come and gather your name because you bring this boy? You don't investigate him, you don't see him. I think I don't see the one where Elon Musk produce. I think I don't see the one where Elon Musk produce now. The own house where Elon Musk produce. The same kind of house where they carry up. If they complain, carry your house come out. Elon Musk own because you know in America here now wood. This is what this is where they see now wood. But the Elon Musk also in a wood where if you carry design where they strong. I don't know what in use. But our own, because of our nature of our place, we they use block, we go use something where they stronger than blood, give you building. People in this nature food for Igbo, food for Nigeria, not just Igbo, food for Nigeria, they food. But nobody they there to harness them. Some of them, I mean, 3 or 4 people don't call me about what they manufacture, how to use water to operate engine, we go give you light, do everything. I don't see many of them, but some of the way go manufacture, Igbo people don't see them, they walk under them, nobody they hear them. But I don't vow say we go bring this people out. So if you have anything to manufacture, you want the world to hear you. If I interact with you, I discover say you are in a very good platform with my heart spirit, I will put it to the world. God has started using us to announce in the Igbo. We must go global. That video, as people were current to that page, even though we say I delete them for this YouTube, the thing was heading to 1 million. Because I don't see the signal when they head, the speed where they think they run. So I want you to this video, they tell us we are coming to industrialize a league. Any question where you ask, we get ready. I also want to please address this. If you they chat me, say one belong to Igbo ruler, chat me when address this. If you know introduce your name, I never talk to you. Because some of you they say, they chat, you know, they reply. If I did live, you call or say, I don't chat, you know, reply. If I know reply your message, maybe you know, how can you come? Hello, I need building. I want to be Bodulo. Who are you? When you chat somebody, I be so person. They come from so person. Now maybe this. Even if you want liar, I want to see introduction. Because when tomorrow I discover another thing about you, I go for that way chat to receive. Nobody to say be so person. Keep your introduction. That's one. Number 2, make I know whom I address. Whether I address Aboki, I address cell phone man, I address. I want to know who I address. So to make I know how I can address. If you give me your excuse me. If you give me your name, tell me where you stay and where you from your village. It is important, because if you want to belong to Borulo, we can attach you to your own people. These are the things I want to make on carry for them. But see, industrialization of Igbo, no going back. Now make I thank in a very special way, Governor LSOT. We cannot mention that LSOT, may God bless you. Also they thank Soludo, but Soludo we dey look for better, more of output. Because this man don't have to run you for only 9 months when stay for office. I mean OT. Where you wait they not 3 years. Now grammar, plan. Action will be never enter our body very well. Then this issue, I want to also talk to Ludo, please. This issue of using tout to arrest people, detain them, is not the best. Give order, implement order, not by going to bully people. Don't be a tyrant. Don't be like India me. You are a man of good heart. Give order. You don't even need to come outside. You need to give order. Order will be carried. As you get one video where I watch you where they shout because of fence where they build, you are doing the right thing, but in the wrong approach. You don't need to tell me who approved it. I will sack him tomorrow. He goes when everybody knows he goes sack, but it's not something you come on attract enmity to yourself. It's just one of the brother tell him to suspend. It can start from suspension, not sack, because no job on a government now, very wicked government. You and your Tinubu government on a they tell people to buy. If you can't sack the person join on men going none. Tomorrow on a go begin cry. So nobody to go say just write him, suspend him, or let him give him punitive measures. Nobody go just baba. It's not the best. Put human feeling in anything you are doing. Let humanity take over any of your administration or decision. So this operation, Industrialized Ali, is very important to Igbo ruler, and we are not going back. We have set up a committee now to actualize Ohaje Igbo ruler cassava processing industry in Ohaje. And no two ways about it. We are making clean. We don't get about people. I'm looking for about 4 more people to join. These 4 people will go join Ohaje women. People who that will invest in that project. If you know you cannot invest not less than 5 million, from 5 million up, no join us. And before the year runs out, by the grace of God, we are hitting the air with the physical project. We are in the meeting now. So that Ohaje cassava processing, no two ways about it, because we are Operation Industrialized Alimo. So if you think you want to be part of it, you're welcome. So this is the thing I want me to tell on. I don't know if anything at the miss where I never talk will be your question. Put them for comment section. I will address it at the appropriate time. This video don't take too long already, but I have to do it so that make me learn. God bless you as you keep to follow us for Igbo ruler. I get this rally. Make on a day bless. Thank you.
Onye lụrụ indọstrị n'ama ya lụkwa ọzọ n'ala Igbo. Ịrụ ya n'ala Igbo, ndị ntorobịa ga-enwe ọlụ. Kidnapụ na-akwụsị iji egbe zuru ala. Udo na ọṅụ achịbeze, ala Igbo adị mma. Olizado ịhụnanya gị ka m na-arịọ. Gịdị n'otu n'ala Igbo, wetara anyị ịhụnanya. Iro n'ịbasịla, nwanne Igbo nwanne ya wela. Udo na ọṅụ achịbeze, ala Igbo ama mma.